My name's Devon. I'm the install manager here at Donaldson Home Services. That means I take care of everything install-wise. That means rolling up nice and early in the morning, meeting with the techs, making sure they have everything for their job, everything staged properly, all the metal's done correctly. They have everything they need to go out and be a super successful crew that day. On top of that, there's answering phone calls, there's booking jobs, there's ordering equipment, there's staging for the next day, there's drawing metal, so our sheet metal man Jack can draw it up, or not draw it up, but he can go and build it, and answering all the client questions, some technical questions from my installers, and taking care of everything, making sure everything goes smoothly. So I came into Donaldson about just over 5 years ago. I was with a previous employer that did more commercial industrial things, HVAC-wise. They ended up selling and they let me go, so I was looking for a job, and I called Jamie himself, and he came in, asked to come in for an interview, and he took a chance on me. I had no licensing and very little experience. I was about 1.5 years with some layoffs in between that. But he took a chance, and I started as an install helper. I worked with a lead tech for about 9 months, and then when we were able to expand, they trusted me enough to become a lead position after challenging some gas licensing. And I took that role and I ran with it for about 4 years. And I like to think I succeeded really, really well. I poured my heart and soul and dedication into that role, and I treated every install that I did, as cliche as it is, like it was my own home. A bit of a perfectionist that way. So everything that I do, I try to do perfectly or as well as I possibly can. I set all the equipment up, and it paid off. They really trust me, they really like me. We got a great relationship, Jamie and Ann and I, and Nathan and all the head honchos here. And when the position came up for install manager, I immediately told them I wanted in, because I've been bugging them for about 2 years saying I want more, because I love the responsibility and I love the desire to be better. So they took that and they saw the potential in me, and how I've proved them right with them trusting me to be an install lead, and went through the interview process and got it, and it's been working out really well so far. They've been awesome, helping me kind of learning the ropes and being comfortable, and eventually taking more stuff off of other people's plates. But it's been a whirlwind, but I'm really truly grateful to the Donaldsons that they took a chance on me right from, a 26-year-old kid walking into their place with no real experience, and just letting me prove to them that I care about the company as much as they care about it. On my days off, or the time that I have, I like to spend time with my family. We always like doing stuff with the kids, whether that's family outings to trampoline places, or going on vacation to Niagara Falls, or down to Windsor to water parks. We try to spend as much time as we can outdoors. We're definitely an outdoors family. That being said, when I do have my own alone time, I love going out and hunting. I hunt turkey in the spring, deer in the fall, and I'd like to get in some coyote hunting and some goose or duck hunting, but definitely an outdoorsman. If I could eat only one thing the rest of my life, it'd be a toss-up, it'd be steak or pizza. I love pizza because it's simple and it's easy, but I don't think anything beats a steak. I like mine blue. Yeah, I know it's controversial, but I like mine blue, so I think I could easily take that every day of the week, every year of my life.